Hello, Facebook users. Today, we've got a quick and easy tutorial for you on how to find your user ID on Facebook. So, let's get started. First, open the Facebook mobile app on your device. Then, tap on the menu button, typically found at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to Your Activity section. In the Activity section, tap on Apps and Websites. Here, you will find all the apps and websites that have accessed your Facebook account. Tap on one of them. Scroll down, and at the bottom, you will find your user ID. If you're on a desktop, log in to your Facebook account. Click on your profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, select Settings and Privacy. Then, click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, click on Apps and Websites on the left-hand side. Here, you will find a whole list of apps and websites that are connected to your Facebook. Click the View and Edit button next to any connected app. Here, you will also find your user ID at the end. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.